Did you know that Scandinavia is home to some of the most enchanting winter landscapes and festive traditions in the world? Imagine snowy forests, cozy log cabins, and festive markets filled with the scent of gingerbread and mulled wine. In this video, you'll discover the ultimate Scandinavian Christmas itinerary that will take you through stunning winter wonderlands filled with holiday cheer. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of one, this guide is for you. With so many breathtaking destinations and activities to choose from, planning the perfect Scandinavian Christmas adventure can be overwhelming. Do you start with the magical Santa Claus village in Finland, or head straight to the snowy slopes of Norway? And how do you fit in all the amazing Christmas markets in between? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Join me as we explore top destinations like Lapland, Copenhagen, and Oslo. First stop, Lapland. Here, you can visit the Santa Claus village, meet reindeer, and even take a sleigh ride through the snow. It's like stepping into a real-life Christmas card. Next, we'll wander through the charming Christmas markets of Copenhagen. Tivoli Gardens transforms into a winter wonderland with twinkling lights, festive stalls, and an ice skating rink. Don't forget to try the Æbleskiver, delicious Danish Christmas pancakes. Then on to Oslo, where you can enjoy a mix of urban holiday cheer and outdoor winter sports. From skiing in the mountains to warming up with a cup of hot cocoa in a cozy cafe, Oslo has it all. The highlight of our journey will be a magical night spent under the northern lights. Imagine watching the sky light up with dancing colors, a breathtaking backdrop for your Christmas adventure. It's an experience that truly captures the magic of the season. We've covered the must-see locations and activities that make for an unforgettable Scandinavian Christmas, ensuring you have a winter wonderland experience like no other. Remember, the holiday season is about creating memories and enjoying the magic around you. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. And check out my next video for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.